Hello there, my name is Jimmy. Hope you are doing well. Today someone dropped me a text and told me that the BYD share price has gone keep rising, and my first reaction seeing the text was like, dude, you are too late to the game. When I mention BYD, I think a lot of people has the first impressions that it is a China-made car. They make batteries and probably that's about it. But BYD itself is a very complex company. In fact, they are an engineering company more than the rest of the car manufacturers, or rather the EV manufacturers. BYD business comprises into a car, commercial vehicle, batteries, semiconductors, mobile phone components, and the least of the business which contribute the least revenue is medical mask. So as you can see that BYD businesses is actually pretty widespread. One of the reasons I'm invested in BYD is because of its battery. Now, as you all know, batteries form an important component in electric vehicle. So BYD actually packs more energy in the same space compared to other battery manufacturers. That would mean that the car will be able to drive a longer distance compared to other batteries. Secondly, BYD batteries have been proven that it will not catch fire nor explode upon accidents or impact. And that is a very important features in a battery, which I consider this. Now, with this technology, BYD is not keeping it to themselves. They are pretty much open to other car manufacturers, EV manufacturers, that they are willing to support and sell those safe batteries to other car manufacturers. One of the close partner that working together with BYD is Toyota. Now, as we all know that Toyota is the largest car manufacturers in the world, and they are known to be very reliable, very safe. And for Toyota to work with BYD, it means that there will be an opportunity that Toyota will be using BYD batteries in their upcoming electric vehicle. So to me, this is a huge opportunity for BYD. BYD is they have their own semiconductor manufacturing capability. So right now, as we all know, that there is a world shortage on chipset, on semiconductors, and the shortage has actually forced a lot of car manufacturers to close down their factory. However, for BYD, they have no such problems because they are be able to self-sufficient, making their own chipsets for their own car. Besides making chipsets for car, BYD Semiconductors also manufacture chipsets for mobile phone manufacturers. And in fact, the business is doing so well that it contributes quite a substantial revenue to BYD book. Some of you may ask, is it good time to invest in BYD or is it better to invest in Tesla? My opinion is BYD. Reason is that BYD is an engineering company. They are now only at the beginning stage, to finalize their battery, to package it, and to sell to other car manufacturers. So there are a lot of upside on that part of the business. As for Tesla, it is a different ball game. Tesla is not about selling cars. It is about everything that comes together with Tesla. The AI, the batteries, the cars, the carbon rebate, the bitcoins. So it's a rather complex company to analyze. Now, to make it simple, let's zoom in into Elon Musk, he's definitely a story teller, and he's able to talk up the share price or maybe able to talk down, depends on his mood. But the whole point of investing in Tesla is very much depends on that particular person, which is Elon Musk itself. Now, not to say that I'm not investing in Tesla. I'm just saying that if between BYD and Tesla, I'm inclined to continue to invest in BYD than Tesla. Now, I know there's a lot of people up there, will talk about, how good Tesla is, how the share price may go to $1,000, $2,000, and $4,000, whatsoever. Yes, it may come, I do not know. But as far as my personal view is concerned, right now the share price trading at $600 at Tesla, seems to be, the upside are pretty much really limited. Even if there's a gain, that is, in terms of a percentage growth, they are still limited by the numbers. Whereas for BYD, if you are looking into the OTC market in the New York Stock Exchange, then currently it is trading about $50 plus dollars, and the potential for BYD is still there. So, to me, it's just no-brainer for me to pick a BYD over a Tesla at this point of time. Now, this equation may change, I wouldn't know, but given the fact that over the last 2 weeks, or in fact 3 weeks, BYD price has been going up, I'm more inclined to believe my own research and continue to stay invested in BYD. Okay, this is my very short comparison between BYD and Tesla. If you like the content of this video, please give me a like and share my videos, or subscribe to my channels. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.